Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock Adani Enterprises. If you will watch this stock closely, then you will find out that this trend line is giving support to this stock 1 2, and it will provide support to this stock once again. But what has happened in this stock, that this stock has actually been stuck in a triangle kind of a pattern. Okay, and what this stock has actually formed is a symmetrical triangle kind of a pattern in which the stock has given a bearish closing yesterday. Okay, if you will see the daily candlestick pattern, then you will find out that the stock has taken resistance from this level only and it has came down drastically. What can happen in this stock? See, this is a rising wedge kind of a pattern, broadening rising wedge kind of a pattern. Okay, and the stock has given such a bearish closing yesterday, okay, on the resistance. What can happen in intraday? Okay, if you will analyze this stock, then you will find out that this is a trend line which is providing support from the two swing lows. Okay, and this is a trend line which is providing resistance from the past four instances, this and this. Okay, what can happen if the stock tomorrow, let us say if the stock opens around this region, flat opening must be present, and if the stock breaks this resistance line and goes above this swing high, okay, this swing high, remember, it is not necessary that if the stock gives a breakout above this, then it can go or give a breakout. The stock must actually give a closing above this trend line, okay, above 1180. Let one 30-minute candle close above 1180, and then only think of buying this stock on intraday basis. Okay, but if the market stays bearish tomorrow also, just because of the rising coronavirus cases, lack of oxygen supplies, then the market can go bearish. It will go bearish. Okay, and if the stock breaks this support, see this support, and comes down, then you can short this stock. The stock will fall for 1088 for sure. This swing low will be your target. Okay, if the stock tomorrow goes below this level 1120, then it will surely fall for 3-4%. Okay, so you can short this stock if it goes below this region, and if it gives a breakout, wait for 1180 rupees to cross. Okay, until or unless 1180 rupee resistance is not broken, the stock will not go up. See, there is huge sort of a resistance here, all of this is a resistance, 1180 to 1192. See, the stock has taken so much resistance here. It may take resistance here also. So actually you should be careful at this time period on this stock, just because this stock does not have enough of a good news to make it go upside. Okay, so if you have position in Adani Enterprises long term position, then I would suggest you to book some sort of a profit at this region. And if the stock comes down till 200 EMA of daily time frame, okay, see, here is the 200 EMA of daily time frame 570, and 200 EMA of 4 hour 770, or 200 EMA of 1 hour, it is 1035. Then only think of investing. Okay, if these levels don't come, don't think of investing in this stock. Okay, just because this stock has turned bearish, it will go down, come down, and it will take any of the news as its negative news, and it will start to come down. Okay, so think of this and trade accordingly. Okay, thank you for watching.